I grew up as a competitive surfer. One of the big reasons I moved to California was to continue that passion. In surfing, there's always different conditions, and you always have to take those in account. Surfing is very similar to the practice of law because there's a number of variables, and you don't necessarily know what you're going to get until you show up. You have to calibrate your approach to surfing and law based on those conditions. LS Carlson Law is the #1 firm when it comes to homeowner representation. We pioneered the approach to enforcing homeowners' rights against HOAs that are engaged in misconduct. Our primary objective is to win. We partner with our clients. We understand what their goals are, what are their objectives, and what we do is we take those objectives and we leverage the law, and we empower our clients through that process. Every case that comes in is unique. What drives us and what we're passionate about is solving those problems. Our attorneys are all A players and they're absolutely exceptional at what they do. We're strategically aggressive and we're thoughtful in how we move the case forward.
One day I received a letter in the mail from my HOA. They were telling me that a feature in my home was not permitted and was not allowed and that I needed to remove it. When my wife and I first received the letter, frankly, we were devastated. This was the one feature of our home that we loved and one of the main reasons we purchased the home. I've known Luke personally for a while, always respected the type of person he is. So I filled him in on my situation and he ran with it from there. Luke and his attorneys listened. They heard my side of the story. It made me feel heard, they made me feel respected, and they made me feel instantly like I had a teammate in this. If I knew somebody who needed legal help, I would recommend LS Carlson Law. They guided me through my situation in a respectful manner, and they helped come to a conclusion that was satisfactory to both myself, my family, and the homeowners association without it being combative in nature.
What every homeowner should know is that they have rights, and those are very strong rights. HOA law is very focused on the family. This is where you live. As a husband and father myself, I understand the importance of family, time with the family. So HOA law was a very natural progression because really what we're doing is we're protecting that environment. We want to restore the quality of life of our clients. LS Carlson Law is well positioned to powerfully enforce those rights against HOAs.